Yo, what's up? Good morning. Good morning, Derek. Hope you had a wonderful weekend, man. So, I'm seeing some bad numbers here over on my end. The stream or something seems to be up with my internet. Hopefully, it will fix itself and it's not too apparent on stream. We'll find out. But okay, so we're gonna focus on fixing or working on this today as well. So snow. Basically, this was the simplest problem I'd want to solve involving the activity texture, and we have already seen or identified a few different things that could be done better or done differently with the activity texture, thanks to actually starting to use it and see how it works. But I think I'm going to take this week as well. I don't know if the full week is needed, but we're going to take this week as well and see if we can or just play around with the implementation of the snow, make it look way more beautiful and things like that. Deform it a little bit better and yeah, just experiment with it. And I think we left off at a point. We experimented with trying to heighten the snow around parts that are being pushed down. So let's see here if we have the snow so I can hopefully visualize a little bit better what I mean. And we had, just gonna have to remember this, it's been a couple of days. Display upwards amount, but this is not really how we want to displace it, right? We want to add, so this is more like eyes, but we want to smooth it out, and to do that we added a breakpoint, which currently doesn't really work too good. So I think that's what we're gonna start with today. But like, even though it definitely doesn't work that good, you can still see, let's see here, you can still see some effects of it that are very nice. I want to see. So I mean, something like this maybe. We're gonna have to work on it, get it a little bit better. I wonder. Yeah, definitely. Thought we had a little bit of a better result. Let's see. Yeah, so what I want to do first here is, okay, I want to, we're not gonna displace it based on this, but I want to print some data concerning this. or we're gonna render the color of how much we would upset it or offset it upwards with, and we can see if we can adjust that to look sort of like we want it, and then we can add it back to the displacement. So let's exit this one and open up the shader in question. And I think it's displace affected. Did we put it down here? This is where we have it. Displace up multiplier. It's basically this one I want to render. Probably don't want, yep. So this is the block of code we want to look more into today. And for now, I'm wondering, I think we're gonna do it like this. Have we used, let's see if we have access to TextCore 5. Yo, what's up? Good morning, Geralt. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. So for now, I'm just gonna displace, let's try and render displace multiplier and see what we have. Output. And Geralt, I'm having a little bit of, it seems, or I think, my numbers aren't looking too good on my side, so I think I might have some internet problem. Please let me know if you notice something. But hopefully we are fine. And displace multiplier, no. We want to do output.value displace up multiplier. I just want to render this one this time around. And then here we're gonna do input.position OS XYZ. Output value, and then let's do turn input.value. So we're not gonna displace the snow now, we're just gonna measure some, we're just gonna output displace up multiplier as the color, so we can see how it looks. Yeah, looks pretty good. And then we would like to We would like to move this highlight, this very white highlight, we would like to move that one outwards. So instead of having it as a linear curve between, I wonder, 0 and 1, we would like it to be, so between 0.5 it goes up, and between 0.5 and 1 it goes down, and that was exactly what we tried to implement last Friday with these two. Although maybe not in the best way. Let's see. So, breakpoint. Yes, exactly. So this is not exactly what we want to see here. So my quick implementation of the reshape is not really working, I would say. Although this doesn't look too bad. I would like to avoid doing it by texture. So a one-dimensional texture representing a curve. What are we doing here exactly? If displace up multiplier is greater than displace upward breakpoint, we do displace upward breakpoint minus displace multiplier. So let's go with 0.7 and or actually 0.7 and 0.5. We would like to get 0.3. Geralt, no issues for now. The stream is fluid, sir. Thank you, appreciate it. Hopefully it will keep being stable. Stable and fluid. Okay, so 0.7, 0.5. Yeah, this is basically what we should be getting. Yeah, what's up, Bruce? So GTA 6 will be out only when you finish this screen. GTA 6 will probably be out way before this, I would reckon. Fuck, does GTA 6 look good though? The tiny bits we have seen so far. So I think this actually yields the result we want. It's pointy as hell though. Would like to fix that. I thought we would. Maybe this one screws it up more than I would have hoped. So let's try removing this one and see what kind of result we have. I hate this though. When we do quick reload here, we should be able to see something with setting the... I hate that I have to reload everything when we do some changes to the shader code here. I think it has to do with the activity texture. We lose the reference when we recompile it. Oh, really? Ah. Did I do... Huh. Like now I'm seeing it connecting to chat here. That doesn't bode well. What did I change for this one to... Uh, Yo, what's up, Fabic? Hello, everyone. The stream is fine. Nice to hear. Nice to hear. Seeing some bad numbers here. I hate it. Internet problems. Sucks. Hopefully it will keep this way. And hope you had a wonderful weekend, Fabic. Why are we not seeing anything here? That is weird. Really weird. Ah. Fabic had better. How about you? Pretty much same here. Same here. This makes me wonder if this one isn't what I think it is. So removing this doesn't show anything. Huh. Oh, yeah, of course. Because we wanna do... Fuck, I'm wondering if this value might not be what I think it is. But I'm guessing we get a negative value here, but... And that's why we're not seeing it without this one. This one is 0, so of course... So instead of this, let's just do... is equal to abs. Let's see what this yields. Yes. So if we have a value like this, let's see if I can do some drawings and explain what we want to achieve, basically. So currently we have something that looks like this. What we would like is to transform this one into something that looks like don't I have thought that would be one of the defaults. Bilinear. We want to change it to something like this. Appreciate it, Fabric, but hopefully, like today or this week, at the end of this week, we will really have some nice, really nice looking snow. That's the goal. So we want to transform this to this, roughly, but I would like more control over it as well. And don't we have, there should exist a nice curve that is, so we want to change this to this, basically. We'd like as much control over this as possible. And don't we have a curve that looks, do we have like this? X minus 1, 2. No. That's only this one. We have that one, minus 1. It's 1. Not tired. I might be a little bit tired. Oh, fuck. Sinus. That is a good point, Fabric. Maybe. Oh, that's true. That is 100% true. Oh, yes, we're gonna do it with sine. What do we have? I want amplitude. We want to have control over amplitude. Let's refresh my memory. this Monday morning. Look at this. This is what why I'm worried about the stream. Something is fucked up with my internet. And I hate it. I was like... Why, internet, why are you doing this to me today? Huh. Fabic, that might not be... That might not be such a bad guess, actually. I have no idea what's going on. Starting to think... One sec here. If I do this... Are we back? Yes, we're back. Yeah, network is maxed out on this. My OBS is taking... Huh. At least the stream is fine, yeah. That's one positive thing. I really would like to be able to Google stuff at the same time. I'm wondering if it will cool down. I haven't seen these high numbers from OBS. Huh. Let's see. I would do check with your local ISP if they have problems. That's a good point. We're gonna double check. Nah, nothing. Nothing reported. Let's see if it improves soon. Extremely frustrating. I'm gonna give it another 20 minutes. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to cut it short today and get this fixed, because this is no way to work. But, so back to this real quick. My DNS should be fine. Like, I'm seeing here from the activity manager that OBS is pretty much hogging all the bandwidth available. But let's see. So if we do it with a sine curve, that would definitely work. We want to do amplitude times sine, and then I wonder, let's do x plus something. This one is our displays upward max distance. And then we have x here, which is our displays. Oh yeah, displays multipliers. So this one actually. And then we have this one. That should be our displays upward breakpoint. So yeah, let's try that. I don't think we want this check, or do we? No. So let's try and do this instead. Displays up multiplier is equal to I want to wait with this one. What we're gonna do here first is sine. Where's it sine? That is crazy. displace multiplier, up multiplier, plus but then we're gonna get, maybe we should go with cosine instead. Let's see. Or actually, now let's do it like this. Displace up multiplier plus, what was it called? Breakpoint, something breakpoint. Like this. And then we can do a displace up multiplier, remap. Or let's just do it as an inverse slur for now. Place up multiply. Or I guess we could, fucking easier would be to just do 0.5 f times this one plus 0.5. Let's see what kind of result we get with this one. Okay. What am I missing? This one is 0. Oh yeah, what the fuck? We need to multiply this one with... do we? Yeah, we do. Multiplied by... Let's do it here. Or now let's do it here. I want to multiply it by I think. Right. Let's do this. If we get this, that makes sense. We have 0 here. See here. 0. If we do it like this, we would like to actually let's not care about the negative values for now. Let's do this. It should be okay. I'm really annoyed by this internet shit. Well, we're not getting any result here. This one should be between 0 and 1. So we go between 0 and pi. Plus this one, which we don't care about. And if we go extremely big here, it doesn't really do anything. Hmm. If we do this, we get this. Okay. We should still be seeing something here, I would think. Okay, so we only have values between 0 and... No, that's not true. Place affected. Between 0 and 1 multiplied by pi to get this in radians. Then we do sine. So we should be seeing going between 0 to 1 and 0. But that's not what we're seeing, right? Now we are. Okay. So if we take this now and we do break. Yeah, we're gonna have to want to transform this in some way, but this looks pretty good actually. We gotta get that under control, but 1 sec, let me just check this internet stuff. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem to be working still. Unfortunately, I think I'm gonna have to call it here. Not a great start of the week, because I need to get this internet under control. I guess so. We're gonna have to postpone the snow. I was really looking forward to getting a lot of things done today, but I'm gonna see if I can get to the bottom of this internet problems I seem to be having, and hopefully continue this tomorrow. If I get it under control to tomorrow, I'm gonna try and do double the stream tomorrow. So we're gonna see if we can do 8 hours. Yeah, I'm real sorry about this, but sometimes it's like this. So yeah, hopefully I will be able to fix these internet problems and be back tomorrow and do some real nice progress. Have a great one, everybody. Peace.